Mission of the Combat Engineer Battalion: enhance mobility, counter-mobility, survivability of the Marine Division through close combat engineer support, and to provide limited general engineering support that is required for the functioning of the Marine Division. Components of the CEB: H&S Company, Engineer Support Company, 4 CE companies. Components of the Engineer Support Company: HQ, Engineer Equipment Platoon, Utilities Platoon, Motor T Platoon. Components of a CE company: Company Headquarters, 3 CE platoons. First mobility task of the CEB: conduct engineer reconnaissance and support intelligence collection within division, zone, or sector. Second task, mobility task: plan, organize, and coordinate the assault breaching of explosive and non-explosive obstacles from high water marks inland. Third mobility task: deploy assault bridge systems. Fourth mobility task: provide expedient repair and reinforcement of existing bridges. Fifth mobility task: construct expedient short-span bridges from local materials in support of ground combat troops. Sixth mobility task: provide temporary repair of existing roads and limited new construction of combat roads and trails. First counter mobility task: plan, organize, and coordinate construction of small and compound explosive and non-explosive obstacle systems. Second counter mobility task: plan and construct obstacles that require special engineering equipment and technical skills. Third counter mobility task: perform special demolition missions that are beyond the capabilities of other division units. Survivability tasks: provide technical assistance and necessary equipment for the development of temporary protective positions. First general engineering task: provide essential construction support. Second general engineering task: provide utility support. Third general engineering task: construct and improve expedient VTOL sites. Mission of the CEB H&S Company: provide command, control, and administrative elements to supervise the operations of the elements. Components of the CE H&S Company: Battalion Headquarters, which contains HQ Section, S1 through 4, Supply Platoon, Mess Section, Comms Platoon, Medical Section, Chaplain's Office, Company Headquarters. Mission of the Engineer Support Company: provide personnel, equipment, and appropriate task units to other elements of the battalion in support of operational requirements, and to provide minimum potable water for the Marine Division and electrical power for designated elements of the Marine Division. Components of the Engineer Support Company: Company Headquarters, Equipment Platoon, Motor T Platoon, Utilities Platoon. First task of the Engineer Support Company: provide construction materials, handling and lifting equipment, and operators in support of other battalion elements or to perform separate mission assignments. Second task: provide potable water and hygienic services to the Marine Division. Third task: provide electrical power to division organizations that are not authorized generators and provide backup power to the division. Fourth task: provide motor transport equipment and operations as required. Mission of the CE Company: provide close combat support of an engineering nature as necessary to meet essential requirements of an infantry regiment and other division elements in combat operations. Components of the CE Company: Company Headquarters, 3 CE platoons. First task of the Combat Engineer Platoon: provide engineer reconnaissance. Second task: provide assistance of cross-country movement, tracked and light wheeled vehicles. Third task: erect temporary engineer type structures to assist the movement of light vehicles and personnel across dry and wet gaps. Fourth task, construct and operate light rafts. Fifth task, reinforce and repair existing bridges. Sixth task, improve existing terrain for use as helicopter terminal points. Seventh task, furnish technical assistance in the fabrication and positioning of light obstacles. Eighth task, supervise the emplacement of minefields and booby traps. Ninth task, furnish technical and mechanical assistance in the installation of temporary cut and cover type fortifications. 10th task, perform specialized demolition missions that are beyond the capability of the infantrymen. 11th task, provide specialized assistance in breaching obstacles. 12th task, supervise extensive or sensitive minefield clearance. 13th task, perform any CE related tasks when augmented with the necessary elements of the engineer support.